Meye kaunti ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Hamisi.
Miamano marikeito Josephat Hamisi ase oroboti ururu ikiranu ekero chiskuru au chigendrete kwarigania barokiwa bo grade kya gatano na kabere nigo chiskuru cy'abantu nyene cyaboririe serikali kubenyora sense moye bitoki erigosira umuroberio OCBC eriyogo ikirania umuroberio junior secondary school marikeito ndemo Stephen noroboti ururu.
Inse yomuroberio junior secondary school JSS aborokiwa nigo bagendete goswasa chiskuru che serikali na chiri cy'abanyene.
So far we have received about 50 and some are still reporting.
Yani na feel tu vizuri yani venye tunavaa hii loan kama saa sigani kwa wengine wataweza kuwa nasikia vibaya ama vizuri si pia tukivaa loan.
I feel so happy kwa sababu tumekuja hapa junior secondary.
Chisukuru chitabirene wizara ya chisemi kugenderio murobiro yoime ya Kisii nigo chire chimisano na ibere merongene na inye ase na mbere nere chiri cie serikali ase emia yemo merongetano nemo na isano chioka na cho chiri cy'abanyene chitabire ase chinyinge cyabo cyasiekere twisiko aso gutaikirania birengo biganeiri.
There were some schools that were not approved for JSS. There are 124 and 124 these are mainly private schools. Some of them never had 45 candidature in Kisii. Some of them are not having enough infrastructure that could qualify them to be JSS. Some are even having lower and very small compound that cannot offer JSS.
Ambalo hilo ndio jambo ambalo serikali inafaa kuangalia ili iweze kuwa na balance. Wazazi wasione kwamba huku kwa shule za kibinafsi hamna la mno. Huko ndiko kuna mambo mengi, mambo na investment, library, mambo na computer room. There is a lot to be done. So the government needs to at least strike a balance ili isionekane kwamba shule za kibinafsi zimelemewa kinamna fulani, kwa sababu tunahitaji hela nyingi ili kuwa na misingi thabiti ya elimu.
Umuroberio bwe bitabu bya junior secondary school guikasa chiskuru che serikali nigo gendeta sa chi sub county ao asagwatani be chiskuru cy'abanyene chi private basabire na barabo basirune serikali.
That the books will be in the sub counties. Our books have already arrived in our sub counties and our head teachers to principals are collecting books. We are ready to go.
Kwa sababu hawa watoto ni watoto, hawa ni wa public, hawa ni wa private. Tunasema kwamba mtoto ni mtoto wa Kenya, kwa hiyo aweze kusaidiwa, aweze kuhakikisha kwamba angalau waweze hata vitabu jamani, at least wakipatiana kwa public pia na private watoto waweze kupata, kwa sababu vitabu hivyo ni vingi na vina gharama zaidi ya haja.
Umuroberio bwe kamati ya balimu ya Teacher Service Commission kubwatuka balimu ba junior secondary go chiskuru nigo robeiri gwikiranirwa ewiki eye.
Our teachers are reporting by Friday the TSCs have finished matters of engagement on teachers. Now the TSC is working on the deployment of teachers and we hope that by Friday all our teachers will be in class.
Rero nigo lia beire rituko lia kabere rio muroberio junior secondary school gojara guchaka mona se chiskuru chiri chitabire ne wizara ye chisemi abwase bona abagwatani beso kiri na gusabe serikali kwene kibuna nguruere nibo irachi kwene kibuna umuroberio yo no gendere buya imya chiskuru ao ko reporteria Ndizi TV korwa se skuru yo borso ya daraja 2 kutoka se ward ya Kitutu Central ene bonge ya Kitutu cha South eri Italiane.